This right here is the First Alert P1000 Atom smoke alarm. It's advertised as one of the smallest smoke alarms on the market. And I know what you're asking, is this small little smoke alarm actually going to protect my house? Well, today we're going to look at that and test it. So first off, is the smoke alarm really that small? Well, I'll show you. Here is a size comparison to a normal First Alert smoke alarm, or rather a different First Alert smoke alarm. And as you can see, it is absolutely that small. First Alert does not exaggerate the size of this smoke alarm at all. It is tiny. It can fit in the palm of my hand. See? It's a very small unit. Looking more at the unit, as you can see, it has a very simple design. As you can see, there's a test/silence button. There is an alarm sounder in the bottom. And then on the top there is a mounting bracket to mount it to the wall or ceiling. And then there's a little compartment for the battery. And that's it. That's all this device is. Right here is the package that this unit comes in. And as you can see, it says Maximum Protection Micro Design. Now I know what you want to see me do. I know you're asking, is this smoke alarm going to work in a real fire? Well, I guess there's only one way to test it. So I was kind of joking there. There are plenty of safe options for testing your smoke alarm. And I absolutely don't recommend you use fire. For one, you can test your smoke alarm by using the test button. But that usually only tests the alarm circuitry. So, to get around that, you could also test your smoke alarm by picking up one of these cans of smoke. As you can see, I have 3 different brands here, and there's probably others, and you can probably get them online or at your local hardware store. So if you want to test your complete smoke detector, I absolutely recommend getting a can of smoke. And then also, yes, there is the classical way, which is actual fire. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be testing this unit with a little smoldering piece of paper. So the First Alert P1000 Atom has a photoelectric smoke sensor, which means it's going to be more reactive to fires involving smoke that's more smoldery. So that's what we're going to be trying to create today. Once again, I don't ever recommend testing smoke alarms with fire. If you really want to test them, go get a can of smoke. But for demonstration today, that's what we're going to be doing. So we'll go ahead and light the end of this. And as you can see, there it goes. So the question is, do I recommend you get this smoke alarm for your house? Well, let me go into some of the other facts about the smoke alarm you should know. First off, the Atom only has a photoelectric sensor. While having a photoelectric sensor in your home is very important, you're also going to want to have a smoke alarm with an ionization sensor. That way, no matter the fire, you're going to have a fast response time. So while you're buying these units, also buy one of the cheap $5 ionization sensor units. The second thing I'd like to point out is these are stand-alone units, meaning if one goes off, only that one is going to go off. They're not all going to go off. So if you have a large home and there's a fire in the basement and you want to be alerted by the smoke alarm in your upstairs bedroom, you're going to want to get smoke alarms that are interconnectable. Finally, the batteries these units take are not common. Thankfully, they come with a long-lasting lithium-ion battery. But if you ever need to change the battery in the future in these units, you're going to want to order them online because these will be pretty hard to find at your local store. Overall, I absolutely would recommend the First Alert P1000 Atom smoke alarm for your house, as it works and the slim design is absolutely an amazing benefit. I'd love to see more small smoke alarms like this on the market. Thank you for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, everyone.